Hi, I would now like to show you how I make this ribbing, which looks like it is cabled, but it is not. Very easy to make compared to what it may look like. And if you have a closer look, this is what it looks like. The pattern consists of 5 stitches, so you need to cast on a number of stitches that can be divided by 5. And after you have cast on, you have 4 rounds that is repeated. And round 1 and 2 is the same, and I will begin by showing you that. One repetition of the pattern is to knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you purl 2. And that is the 5 stitches. And then I repeat, I knit 3, and I purl 2, knit 3, and I continue throughout this round, and when that is finished I repeat this for another round, so that I have 2 rounds with knit 3, purl 2. And when I have finished those 2 rounds, I will get back to you on how to continue the pattern. Now I have finished my 2 rounds of knit 3, purl 2. And I will show you round number 3 in the pattern. And I begin with the 3 knit stitches, and I slip the first one. I knit the 2 next stitches. Then I pick up the slipped stitch and I slip it over the 2 stitches that I just knitted and off the needle. And the 2 purl stitches I continue to purl. And when I arrive at the knit stitches again, I slip the first stitch and I knit the other 2. Pick up the slipped stitch and I slip it over the 2 and off the needle. Purl 2, slip 1, knit 2, pick up the slipped stitch and slip it over the 2 and off the needle. And I will continue like this throughout this round, and when I get to the end of this round, I will get back to you with the 4th and last round of this pattern. Now I am ready to begin round 4 of my pattern. And here I had my 3 knit stitches, and now you can see there are only 2 because of the stitch that I slipped over and off the needle. So when I work round 4, I would like to get back to the original stitch number again, and I do that by knitting the first stitch, then I yarn over, simply move my needle around the yarn like this, and I knit the second knit stitch, and now I have 3 stitches again. The purl stitches, I continue to purl, and here I have the 2 knit stitches, and I knit the first, yarn over, and I knit the second. And I simply continue the same way throughout the round. And when I have completed this round, I begin over again by knitting 3 and purling 2 stitches. And when I have the desired length and I wish to continue in stockinette, for example, I usually finish this with round 1 and 2, the 2 rounds of knit 3, purl 2, because I think the result looks better that way. And that's it, really. Thank you for watching.